Now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 11, that is water. So what is water? It is liquid of life. It is one of the most common and useful substance around us. We can see it in ponds, river, lakes, seas and ocean. It is also present below the surface of the earth. So nearly 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So the main source of water on earth is rain. Natural source आपके rivers, seas, ocean, lakes, and most of the water is in the form of ice caps near the poles. So water is also present in air in the form of water vapor. Even clouds are made up of water. Some water is found under the ground which can be drawn from wells, and so you have to go for it. Activity है. The things that pollute water you have to take yours. Now the properties of water. Pure water क्या है? Colorless है, transparent है, right? Water is odorless, tasteless. Now most of the substance that dissolve in water, that is why water is known as universal solid. 3 states में मिलता है: solid, liquid, gas, solid ice, gas, liquid water, and gases, that is water vapor. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. बाकी बचा हुआ क्या है? Land part. Impurities. We have 2 types of impurities: insoluble और soluble impurity. Insoluble क्या होती है? जो water में dissolve नहीं होती है, वो आपको दिखाई दे जाती है easily, like sand, stones, mud. Right? Soluble, which dissolve completely in the water, you cannot see it. Right? Like germs are the examples. Now removal of insoluble impurity. We have sedimentation. The process of setting down. क्या होता है? Heavily insoluble impurities क्या होती है? नीचे बैठ जाती है, present in water. Allow it to remain undisturbed for some time. Like sand and mud, which are heavier than water, they get deposited. Decantation, जब clean water जो obtained होता है during the sedimentation is carefully poured into another container. इस process को decantation कहता है. Decanted water may not contain insoluble impurity, but itself have germs. Then we have filtration. In this method, the soluble impurities are removed by using filter paper. Impure water is poured over a filter paper and it's remain on the paper while clean water collects. जब तक clean water collect नहीं होता था वो ऐसी रहे. Removal of soluble impurities. So, to remove soluble impurities like germs and bacteria from water, to consume it fearlessly, we may follow the following method. By boiling water, जो आपके germs present होते हैं, वो kill. By adding chlorine to water, by using electric water purifier. Water scarcity. So, in many parts of our country, water is scarce. In some places, women have to walk several kilometers every day to collect water. In summer, जो supply है water की वो कम हो जाती है, short हो जाती है, many towns and cities. It makes our life very difficult. It makes us things to save water preciously. Water harvesting, we can divert rainwater into wells or underground tanks where it can be stored for future use. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. एम क्या है रेन वाटर का? टू कंजर्व रेन वाटर सो दैट इट मे सेटिस्फाई फ्यूचर. नाउ रीयूज वाटर. वाटर को रीयूज करना मीन्स व्हेन वाटर यूज्ड फॉर वॉशिंग फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स can be collected and used for watering plant. Water used for washing clothes can be collected and reused for mopping the floor. Water used for washing hands and face can be used to flush out the toilets. Now save water. हमें water को save करना है. It's very precious and it needs to be saved and it is essential for life. Get the leaking taps repaired on time. Right? Turn off the taps after use. Do not keep tap water running. Do not spread unnecessary water while bathing, washing clothing and washing clothing. Water cycle. It is the process that shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and the atmosphere. The heat of sun warms up the water जो आपके seas, lakes और ponds, other water bodies में present है. The process of changing water into water vapor is called evaporation. The water vapors rise in the higher, colder layer of the atmosphere and cool down again and they form water droplets. So the process of changing water vapor into water again on cooling is called condensation. Water droplets in atmosphere join to form clouds. Clouds have become heavy. They burst up. वो burst up हो जाते हैं. Right? आप देखा सन क्लाउड्स हैवी हुए, बारिश पड़ी, नीचे आया वाटरफॉल रिवर में, दोबारा वाटर वेपर बन के वापस चला जाता है, फिर क्लाउड्स फॉर्म करता है. इट्स अ वाटर साइकिल. रेन वाटर गेट्स again fall on land and fills the water body. The cycle goes on repeating. So water, it is valuable of our lives and we should always neither waste it nor pollute it by our ignorance and activity. Value every drop of water. आपको हर एक drop of water को क्या करना है? Value दे. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.